So what will happen, there's two different places where we're usually fighting for your driver's license when you've been arrested for a DUI. One is our court case, and the other is a DMV case, which is a separate civil case. So if you're convicted of a DUI in court, what will happen is the clerk's office will send proof of conviction to DMV in Sacramento, to the Mandatory Actions Unit. They will send you, the DMV will send you a notice which says that you've been suspended. And once you have that notice, then you can apply for a work restricted license. But once you get that notice, you are suspended. So it's very important to have a good DUI lawyer who understands how these things work with Marin County, with DMV, with the courts, who can help walk you through this whole process. One of the things that I can do for most clients, if they are going to get convicted or suspended in these cases, is minimize the amount of time that they go without a license. Sometimes we can have someone being down for a day or two at the most. Sometimes it's a little bit longer, but usually we can do these very quickly. We also have to coordinate with a separate DMV hearing if you do get convicted of a DUI in court, because there are two different suspensions that can happen. So that's where it gets a little more complicated. That's where you get, if you hire a cheap lawyer or a lawyer that doesn't do a lot of DUI cases, or one who's not from the area, that's where you're going to have issues. That's where you're going to have problems. That's where you could potentially get in more trouble for not following the rules and potentially be without a license for a much longer time, weeks or months, because of the complexities here in getting you properly reinstated with some type of a restricted license.